Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update maps, how to install new ones, and how to generally manage the storage on your Garmin Edge 540. So to do all that, you're gonna need to first connect your Garmin to your computer using the USB-C cable. But before we do that, let's also install the software on our computer, which is called the Garmin Express application. You can download it from the official Garmin website. Once you download the setup file, start it. The installation is pretty simple. You don't have to choose anything additional. Once the setup is finished, you just connect your Garmin to your computer like this, using a USB cable. And then on the home page of this application, you select add a device. And then here you're gonna have to select your Garmin device once it gets detected. Then you sign in to your Garmin account, and that's it. Then you'll be able to see this dashboard. So if you want to update your maps, you simply have to click sync right here, and this will synchronize your current data with the one that there is available online. And if you're up to date, that means that no maps need an update. Now, if you want to install some additional maps or remove some old ones, you have to go to Manage Maps, and then select the type of map. So we have the base maps, and we only have one item here. Then we have points of interest, and then we have the top active maps. And as you can see here, we actually have a huge list of maps, right? So now if you want to install some additional map, you just select it right here, and then you click Apply Changes. And then you wait until this map is installed. Now, in the very same way, if you want to remove some map, you just unselect it, and then you click Apply Changes. By the way, as you can see here at the bottom, we have this dark blue line, and this is generally this entire bar is our storage. And as you can see, our storage is mostly occupied by maps. So realistically, if you want to free up your storage, you just need to remove some maps that you already have installed on your device. And as you can see, removing some map will significantly free up your device's storage, and then you'll be able to install some different map on your device by selecting it from the list. Of course, to both remove and add a new map, you have to click Apply Changes once you have made them in here, and then you're gonna have to wait until the map is either installed or uninstalled on your Garmin device. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.